Hi. So good afternoon. Thank you for coming. So I'm going to be talking. Was just introduced about some work that we've been doing at Imagination Technologies, looking at how we take kind of traditional computer vision algorithms and map those onto kind of a DNN hardware that us and other companies are producing. So just to kind of give you an overview of the talk that I'm going to give today. So I'll give an introduction firstly to Imagination Technologies, to the people who aren't familiar with us as a company and the work that we do, and then kind of a bit more of an introduction, a background to the work that we've been doing and why we've been doing it. And then I'll go through some examples of how you might go about mapping some kind of basic traditional computer vision algorithms onto sort of deep learning primitives, and then look at going kind of slightly beyond that. If you've got some traditional vision algorithms, how you might sort of start take incremental steps towards making those trainable and learnable, and exploit the underlying hardware a little bit more.